Production grants and gifts in kind for Soundstage provided by CAF Audio, 157 Gray Road, The Ears of Experience, and The Chariot, 420 Eddy Street in Collegetown.
Hello out there! We're Adult Western. Welcome to Soundstage.
Hi, and welcome to Soundstage. I'm your host, Mike Moran, and tonight our very special musical guest is Adult Western. But first, I'd like to remind you, if you're watching on a Sunday night, please turn down the sound on your TV and turn up your stereo and tune it to 92 FM ICB, because Soundstage is simulcast on ICB FM. Okay, right here to my right, we have Rich DePalao, who is the bassist and vocalist for Adult Western. Right to his right, we have Frank Martinez, who's the violinist. To my left, we have Stephanie Pitzaz, right, who's the guitarist. And the drummer back here is Bill King. And these guys are Adult Western. Adult Western has been described as brilliant musicians and composers. They have great presence, are aggressive, and take their music very seriously while not taking themselves seriously. So with that, we have Adult Western and their first song, which is called Permanent Vacation. Okay.
I never went back, never. She and I were a crime with no alibi, and the moon of subtle deviation, maybe the road. We took a permanent vacation. Now that it's done, I can never go back, never touch the sky. People warning me as I try. We can never go back, never blind the eyes of the tiger that's hypnotized. All the patience, time to get by. Cursing the permanent vacation, wondering why I never went back, never touched the sky. Is the reason we said goodbye. 'Cause I never went back, never. She and I, maybe someday before I die. I never went back, never touched the sky. Is the reason we said goodbye. 'Cause I never went back, never. She and I, maybe someday before I die. Maybe. She's on my mind. No doubt about it, she's so fine. She's the best girl that I ever had. Sometimes she's gonna make me feel so bad. Yeah. No, 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 no. She broke my heart, my love was just the same. Now hush, hush. I thought I heard her calling my name. Now hush, hush. I need her loving and I'm not to blame now. You know she's got love like quicksand, and it only took one touch of her hand. No, my mind never is so deep. I can't enjoy and I can't sleep. No, 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 no. No, 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 yeah. Hush, I thought I heard her calling my name. Now hush, hush. She broke my heart, but I love her. Hush, hush. this next one is about bad habits. It's called We Owe You Nothing. Say to me, we've got to fix the fences. I say to you, tear 'em down, can't we tear 'em down? You're selling me a battle in the trenches. I'm telling you, come on down, come on down, down, down. Everybody keep your head down. Can't stop the rhythm. Can't stop the rain. Down, down, everybody keep your head down. Can't stop the rhythm. Can't stop the rain. Say to me, it looks like stormy weather. I say to you, let it shine, can't you let it shine? You're selling me a permanent umbrella. I'm telling you, take it down, down, down. Everybody keep your head down. Can't stop the rhythm, can't stop the rain. Down, down, down. Everybody keep your head down. Can't stop the rhythm, can't stop the rain. You say we got to pay up, 'cause that's not the time to give up. And you wave a little tin cup, but we owe you nothing. It's time to cover your ass for the things that you've done in your past, brother. Times are changing and fast, and we owe you nothing. Of the free, is screaming for attention. Open your ears, hear it now, can't you hear it now? If you succeed, it won't be worth defending. Follow the lead, and come on down, come on down, down, down. Everybody keep your head down. Can't stop the rhythm. Stop the rain. Down, down, down. Everybody keep your head down. Can't stop the rhythm. Can't stop the rain. You see, we got to pay up, 'cause that's not the time to give up. And you wave a little tin cup, and we owe you nothing. It's time to cover your ass for the things that you've done in your past, for the times are changing and fast, and we owe you nothing. 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 We
Very nice. Very nice job. Good job. There you have it. I owe you nothing right here on Soundstage. Okay, in a second here, we're going to have an interview. These guys. Adult Western is a local band from Ithaca. They've been around for about 2 years, and you can catch them often. They play at the Haunt, and they play at the Nines up in College Town as well. And right now, yes, we're on. We're on. That's okay. You can have a seat right here. We'll get right into it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got to sit down. What else do we have here? For an interview right now, we have Stephanie Pitzaz, the guitarist, and we have Billy King, who's the drummer. Right here, there's Bill, it's Stephanie. You could figure that out. Okay, it says here you guys have been around. It says here you guys have been around for about 2 years. Why don't you tell me how Adult Western, got going?
How did we get going, Stephanie?
Well, we're all a bunch of friends, and we didn't have a band, and we got it together, and that's it. Pretty simple.
That's pretty simple. So you guys.
Hey, let's move into a house together and play, and that's.
That's cool. So you guys all live together?
We do.
Yeah.
That's good. So rehearsals must be pretty easy. Then.
Easy, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. So you're just all friends beforehand. No ads in the newspaper or anything. Anything like
No
that.
ads in the news.
Okay, the audience might not know it, and I didn't know it till a little while ago, but tonight is a very instrumental night in the career of Adult Western because you guys are changing your name.
That's right.
That's right. They're changing the name till Tribal Logic.
Tribal Logic.
Tribal Logic. You're no longer Adult Western, so right now we have Tribal. No longer a country band. So right now we have Tribal Logic playing for us. Why don't you tell me how you decided upon that name?
That's Bill's idea, I think. I had nothing to do with it.
No, it wasn't really my idea.
It's got to be somebody's idea now.
We all agreed we had to change the name, and that's what we came up with.
yeah.
Any particular reason why?
Sounds nice.
Just sounds
Is that
nice.
it?
People didn't
that
like
the
Adult
reason?
Western.
Well, to tell you the truth, when I first heard of you as Adult Western, you're playing down the haunt, I thought you were a Western band. Is that, it's probably one of the main reasons. Because you're obviously not a Western band. You play some mighty fine rock tunes right here. Okay, what else do we have here? Stephanie, you've been described as having taste and flexibility in your guitar playing.
Oh.
How can you describe that? You must have been doing this for a while.
I've been playing for about 8 years.
Yeah.
And
That's all?
taste and flexibility, well, I shoot for that, and sometimes it comes off, and other times I'm close.
I think you're a fine guitar player. How do you guys feel that your audience reaction is around here at Ithaca? I know you guys are traveling up and down the eastern coast. How do you feel that the audiences are reacting to you and your sound?
Rough.
Rough, I would say favorable.
Yeah, sometimes it's
Yeah.
favorable, sometimes it's questionable.
Any particular area of the country that you've traveled to that you find the fans like you more or less?
The country.
The country.
Yeah, just the country.
What do you mean by the country? Just all
Out of town.
out of town? Why, you don't think Ithaca's a great place for you guys?
Because
It's a good place.
pretty good. The main thing's been the name is a handicap.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of people who would come out to see us and would enjoy the music don't, because they figure, oh, country rock or rockabilly,
exactly,
and we're nothing like that.
Oh, obviously,
Yeah.
obviously. Where have you been traveling recently? I know you're down in New Jersey recently.
Jersey, the city once in a while, Rochester, and
Where else
Syracuse,
did you go around here?
Binghamton.
Binghamton.
That's about it for now.
That's great. That's great. And you say that you're expecting to have a release pretty soon.
Hopefully. yeah.
Hopefully, you have a
We're-
record
we're
contract
wait-
yet? Or
We're
anything?
waiting on that. It always takes longer than
Much
you think.
longer.
Much longer. You're supposed to hear from these people in July, and you hear from them probably in November. So, if you're lucky.
All right. Assuming that you're going to come out with an album pretty soon, are you going to put stuff that you've written yourselves, or just remakes? Like I saw you did "Hush" by Deep
Hush,
Purple. That was great.
right.
You did a really good rendition of that. Are you going to do that, or just all originals, all Adult Western,
So,
or
we have a
tribal image, tribal image originals?
Tribal Logic.
Tribal Logic. I'm sorry. Tribal Logic. That's
Well,
right.
we have a professional tape with 8 songs, and Hush is one of them,
Mhm.
The rest
and
are all
the rest are
originals.
originals. Yeah.
That's great. Okay, I'd like to thank you for joining us. I hear you have one more song, well, a couple more songs to play for us. Next one is called, what's it called? Drive Me Crazy.
Is that it?
That's
Good.
it.
Drive Me Crazy. Okay, so we have Tribal Logic and 2 more songs that drive me crazy right now. Okay?
All right.
Great. Okay, I'd like to thank you for joining us for Soundstage tonight. I hope you come by and see us next week when we're going to have the Boston ska band Bim Scala Bim. We recorded them live at the Haunt, and that's going to be a great show. But until then, for Soundstage, I'm Mike Molan, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hey, hey, hey. This one is for all you schizos out there. Let's go. Stare, drop the cup. Dump that coffee on the rug. much to do now the mug is broken. You leave no stain, that's what I'm hoping. Take drive me in the car, drives me crazy. Take a smoke, careless ashes burn a hole. Fire starts by the open window. The rain pours in, the glass is broken. Drive me in the car, crazy. Drive me in the car, crazy. Stare, messy hair, messy trousers, no one cares. Don't look right, but I don't stop hoping. Wash my face, my skin is soaking. Drive me in the car, drives me crazy. Stop and stare, hold my breath. Lock the door, I need a rest. Lying down, but I can't stop talking. Restless feet, I can't stop walking. Drive me in the car, drives me crazy. Drive me in the car, crazy, crazy. Nervous nights. Thank you. Awake, awake all day. Awake, awake all night, oh. Sit in bed. Shake my head. Check the time. The clock ticks fast. It keeps me moving in my bed. Rolling around a little bit. I sleep that night with wandering eyes that calculate tomorrow's moves. I sleep at night with wandering eyes that stimulate the way to write. Nervous nights, nervous nights, nervous nights. shake my head. A voice just said, come on, take a look inside my head. It keeps me moving in my bed. Let's do it. I sleep at night with wandering eyes that stimulate the way to write. Nervous nights, nervous nights, nervous nights.
Production grants and gifts in kind for Soundstage provided by Cap Audio, 157 Gray Road, years of experience, and The Chariot, 420 Eddy Street in Collegetown.
Thank you.